Nakadaog sa sakyan na.
Uy, I love salads. I feel so loved. Housekeeping check.
Guys, guess the price of our Airbnb. Anything 10K up.
Look at the view, guys. It's so beautiful. We're here at Makati today. It's my first time in Makati. See?
Ay, di rin ulit yung report.
Housekeeping.
Na para bang housekeeping ng...
Nabi na sa test da.
Nakakita. Namgana sa LE.
Ang guys, dati ka.
Damn! Ay!
Mukhang na sila.
We're here in Salcedo.
So,
Itidakimae.
Itadakiman. Ay, nag-password ba siya?
Nandito kami with Nat's Airbnb. Like, love kay ko niya iyak kung visit here in Manila. But it's so beautiful outside. The view, Boosh. The land of opportunities. Charis. Manila.
Manila, Manila. All in Manila.
Afternoon, guys. Today we're going to Binondo with my friend. Mukhang ito maayo, mga itatag mga food, interesting food. Pero I'm so excited because I don't know what to expect there. Kumain ka lang. Me is, I'm almost done, pero it's so good. Like, pero ganyan, wako niya rin diri ako. I got it.
Di ko na talaga. Go walking.
Gabakli na biday. Intramuros, so kami lang nag-date ni Nat. So, today is a Saturday, so family day na mo. Pero, kami ang family today. So, it's so beautiful. Hi guys! So, natapon yung efficacent sa comforter ko. And then, I changed all my bedsheet. And the thing is, talagang, I need to fold all of these clothes so I can put it here. And then, grabe, my apartment is a mess. Look at how messy that is. May mga things and stuff there. Ewan ko na lang. Kanina, when I woke up, I am sick. I feel like my body was hot. And then, good thing nawala yung parang lagnat. Hi guys, good afternoon. We're here at Nat's Airbnb right now. And then, nag-figure it out. So, hindi mo ko ng induction. But let me tour you. So, this is what it looks like. One moment. So, right when you enter, is that it's pretty basic. So, my mirror dito. And then, the only thing I don't like is like the black bedsheet. Pero, guys, tignan nyo yung labas. May malaking pool. So, yeah, I'm so excited. So, we're going to swim. But Nat, on the other hand, is visiting me here in Manila. So, it's something good because I have someone to talk with. Yay! Ganyan lang yung CR nila. Yeah. Roleplay daw, roleplay. Hindi ko gets yung design ng Airbnb na to. Parang siya yung snowflake. So, di ba? Snowflake. We're at Panda Express with Nat. First meal of the day at 3 p.m. Fortune cookie. Let's live!
Nabuwa ko.
Your sense of humor is appreciated in all situations.
Don't be afraid to say sorry. Say sorry.
Muna ibutang sa journal.
Ano?
Guys, ibutang nila mo sa journal. And I got my deodorant. Gusto mo yung pink?
Gusto mo magkape? Magkapepe. Ay, baby skin.
Babies. Kasi baby ako eh.
I think mild ang baby. So yeah.
Hindi naman ako mild. Guys, this is our favorite. We love salad so much. How much ba? 200. Is it worth it?
Shopee ka.
Kamu ka. Doy, I love salad. Nailitsip lang. Barato lang ko ang strawberry dire, 130 na. Sa Cebu kay tag 400. Duality of buying honey butter and strawberry, healthy living and not living.
Should we try crab?
Box and Nat's gift. Thank you so much. I feel so loved. So this is from Matt. Did you know, guys? I just have 2 lipsticks. Ah! I love the color.
This sponge.
Ikaw na talaga ang mayaman kong friend. Ay!
Oh, nasa si sponge.
Ooh. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like the Charlotte Tilbury one. At the color.
Kauhide. Yaman ang pangita. Kauhide din na. Kauhide na ko para yung siya journal na.
Yeah. It's like so soft. It's so soft. I'm having such a wonderful time right now. Knife fun and cook is giving the yan. Guys, everything is so nice. Everything is so nice. Where it's like breakable. Pero I feel like Kenny would love, my best friend Kenny would love.
Like, I think money siya nga takis ako ano.
Look at, guys, look at this.
I think money siya nga takis sa katong Airbnb.
Kind of flat siya. Bamboo. It's like 3,000 pesos. It's like 3,000 pesos. The famous donut one. Giraffe, pa-cute siya. And na rocket and ships over there. Tapos may turtle. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Much fun. Sa hala na Captain America. And Marvel stuff, I wish nga na Spider-Man. Na Iron Man, di ba? We're at Disney Store at Manila. MOA, Mall of Asia. Go na halo. This is from Red. I think this is from Red. And then si Groot. Groot. And then from Tangled. It's so cute.
Nakadaog sa sakyanan.
Nasuod na to dito sa Disney Store.
I feel like I'm in Hong Kong this year.
No, I would do Spider-Man.
Oo, nakita si Minnie. Aray, ubos. Ubos ka.
Fully booked Mall of Asia. Tapos, this is designed by our friend. Hi, Diana. Suki. Pakita mo. Guys, nag-commute kami today. It's like raining. Hi guys, we just got home. And then Nat bought a new phone.
Si boss.
Like, grabe. Talagang pinaghirapan talaga to ni Nat, oh. Na talagang may cellphone na ako na hihiramin every time. How do you feel having your iPhone 17 Pro na?
Overstimulating.
This is from Dubai. Abu Dhabi, Dubai. Nang ano? Naligo ako today. Ako lang mag-isa. It's so cold. Tsukushi Mall. I have duck and then not have noodles.
Iak Bini.
Journal kami today. We're at Harlan and Holden. Ang cute. Na para bang nag-arts and craft nung elementary, di ba?
Patterns. Hindi makabay, makag-water. Kakbang lang. Kakbang lang.